Hello, good day viewer. You're welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the root of an equation, quadratic equation, using factorization method. So the question at the point says we should find the root of this quadratic equation using factorization method. So solution. So the equation is s squared plus 7s plus 12. This is a quadratic equation. I can equate it to 0. So to find the root of this equation using factorization method, you see the coefficient of the middle term. The middle term is this 7 and 7s, and the coefficient of the variable here is 7. So what you think? You look for two numbers that if you add them together, it will give you 7, and if you multiply them, it will give you 12. So I can say s squared, because we are dealing with this middle term, plus I can open a bracket n1 plus n2 s, so that if I add that two number, it will give me 7, and if I multiply them, it will give me 12. So you think of a number. What number can you think if you add them, it will give you 7, and if you multiply them, it will give you 12? So we think of a number, we can say 3 and 4, because if you add 3 plus 4, it will give you 7, and 3 times 4, it will give us a 12. So 3 and 4 is the number. So from here now I can substitute that 3 and 4 into this bracket, s squared plus 3. In place of this 7, I can say 3 plus 4. It will also give me 7, and plus 12, which is equal to 0. So from here now, I can expand this bracket, this middle bracket. Remember, we are dealing with only the middle term. So plus s times 3, we have 3s. We bring this plus, then s times 4 is 4s plus 12 is equals to 0. From here now, I can group it. So by grouping, in the sense that s squared plus 3s, you group them, plus 4s plus 12, you group them, equal to, equate it to 0. So from factor out the common. What is common between this and this? I think s is common here. So I'm going to bring s out, then open and bracket. I have factor 1s here, so it remains only 1s. Then this plus, and I factor this s out, it will remain 3 plus. If you look at this and this, we can say 8 is common because this 12 don't attach with any s. So let us try 4, because this 12 can divide 4. So I can say 4 is common. The open bracket. This 4 is out already to remain s, then plus. Then 4 into this, you have 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. You equate it to 0. So if you look at it very well, with this bracket, they are equal. So you pick 1. S plus 3. You pick 1. Then this place, S plus 4. This only thing remains because we have picked 1 of this. Pick 1, then open another bracket. The remaining thing here is S plus 4. Equate it to 0. So from here now, to find the root of this quadratic equation, I can say s plus 3 equal to 0, or s plus 4 equal to 0. So s now, to make s1, this one we call it s1, the subject of this formula now is, you can say this 3 is going to cross this sign and meet this 0 here. So you see it will turn to negative 3, because negative 3 plus 0 is still negative 3. Or my s here equal to this 4 will cross to meet this 0, it will turn to negative 4. Therefore, the root of this equation, s squared plus 7s plus 12 equal to 0. The root of this equation is equals to s1, which is equals to minus 3, or s2, which is equals to minus 4. So this is the root of this equation. equation using factorization method. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube.